Being broke is exhausting. Here's the breakdown. Being broke isn't just about money. It's about stress, anxiety, and showing up every day, even when it feels like nothing is working. If you've ever felt exhausted just trying to make ends meet, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about why being broke is more than financial. It's emotional, mental, and exhausting, and how you can survive and even thrive despite it. What being broke feels like. Being broke often comes with a constant weight. You worry about bills, groceries, and whether you'll have enough at the end of the month. You stress over small decisions. Should I buy coffee or save that money? Should I pay this bill now or wait a few days? The mental load never ends. It's not just about money. It's the anxiety that follows you everywhere. You can't fully relax, even on weekends, because your brain keeps running the numbers. And sometimes, friends or family don't understand. They say things like, just save more, or why don't you work harder? But it's exhausting being told to try harder when you already are. Daily struggles and sacrifices. Being broke often means making sacrifices you don't want to make. Missing social events, skipping small joys, working extra hours just to cover necessities. And yet, you keep showing up every day. Why it's normal to feel exhausted. Feeling exhausted is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of resilience. If you are showing up, making tough choices, and doing your best, that's already strength. Society often glorifies wealth and ease, but the reality is, most people struggle more than they admit. Small wins matter. Even small victories matter. Paying a bill on time, saving a few pesos, cooking your own meals instead of splurging. These small steps may feel insignificant, but they add up. And each one is proof that you're managing, surviving, and moving forward. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you can control. Your effort, your resilience, your habits, your attitude. Being broke is hard, yes, but it doesn't define your future. It's a temporary season, not a permanent label. If you're feeling tired, overwhelmed, or stuck, know that it's okay. You're not lazy. You're not failing. You're doing your best in circumstances that are challenging. And sometimes, simply surviving is an achievement itself. Being broke is exhausting, but your resilience is stronger than you think. Keep showing up, take it one day at a time, and remember, you are not alone. If this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more motivation and support. Follow for more motivation.